Pondhawk Natural Area in Boca Raton is a combination scrub and pine flatwood habitat, which has been preserved by Palm Beach County. Beautiful, beautiful area. And also has some historic significance from a commercial standpoint, as the northern part of Blue Lake has been preserved as part of this natural area. Blue Lake, for those of you who know the history of the area, was the lake on the IBM property at the time. IBM obviously had a huge complex in Boca Raton. In fact, we're going to get a view of Blue Lake in a minute. And that complex is actually where the PC was invented by a University of Florida graduate who had been born in Jacksonville and invented in Boca Raton. So we were once a big tech state. There are also some restored wetlands in Pondhawk. We mentioned the lake. And it's a great place to go birding. You see a bird here sitting atop the bridge. And you see huge, huge birds at Pondhawk, which is very rare considering, again, this isn't an urban area. Much of this used to be a part of IBM's property. There's Blue Lake once again. And you get turtles. And this is a bridge under Spanish River, a tunnel under Spanish River Boulevard. So really neat area, unique area with an interesting history, Pondhawk.